So I've always thought it would be cool to have a home defense bot, so I decided to make this mini truck robot and give it a powerful laser cannon. If you think it's pretty cool too, I'll tell you about some of his features in this video, as well as show you how you can control him or any of your own bots with the Ultrabots app. So before we get to the laser cannon, I want to take a bit to explain how this bad boy is controlled. As you can see, here I have a standard RC controller, where one stick controls the steering as well as forward and reverse, and the other stick controls the turret. But it's the other control options that Ultrabot supports that's where things really get interesting. To see the video from the robot, you have a couple options. One is a set of FPV goggles like these fat sharks here. You just slap them up to your face, and boom, you can see the turret. Or you can use a ground control station. And what this gets you is the ability to control the bot over the internet. And you don't even need a big laptop like this. You can use a cheap Raspberry Pi. And what this allows you to do is use your smartphone or any internet connected device to control the robot. So if you want to see what it looks like to use a turret, you can come check this out on my cell phone. Here you can see how easy it is to control a robot or a turret with your smartphone using Ultrabots. Ultrabots lets you control almost any RC vehicle or robot over the internet with its simple APIs. Anyone can try the turret here on the Ultrabots website to try and hit all the targets. It's the same model turret as the one on the mini truck, but the laser isn't as powerful. We didn't want anyone burning down the lab, so we're keeping the laser truck offline and using just regular RC for now. So let's talk armament. As you can see, the robot is equipped with a powerful laser cannon capable of starting cigarettes on fire or burning my hand when I just did that. The laser is controlled with a switch on this RC controller. Flipping that on will turn the laser on. A laser this powerful is capable of destroying a human retina at ranges over 100 yards, so you need to be very careful. But that's also what makes it really fun, is you can start fires at significant distances.